The orchid has long stood as a symbol of luxury, beauty, and strength. At Orchid Nail Spa, we're inspired by the luxury of this rich flower. That's why we patterned the orchid as a relaxing retreat and placed it right in the heart of Hamilton's business district. Indulge with an orchid manicure over lunch, complete with soothing paraffin treatment and hand massage. Pamper yourself with the ultimate orchid pedicure and unwind in one of our shiatsu spa massage chairs. Our expert technicians offer traditional manicures and pedicures, as well as shellac, acrylic, gelish, and gel services. A well-manicured hand is a sign of refinement and immaculate grooming for both men and women. Orchid provides an exceptional quality of service delivered in a beautiful and relaxing atmosphere. Orchid is also the perfect retreat for hens nights, bridal showers, ladies' nights out, team parties, and other special occasions. Book your escape to Orchid Nail Spa today.